Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Shodadeep Dey, your friend. So today, as we did yesterday also, are going to analyze the US natural gas future. Now, this is the front month you can see, which is about to expire in 1 or 2 days. So if you have seen what we discussed yesterday in the yesterday video, we said that this was a very steep resistance, that is 2.313. But for yesterday, what we said is that when we were looking at this, we were seeing that if price goes below 1.972, it is possibly going to go much lower. Now, this contract is going to expire in a day or two. So it is better for us if we move to the more active contract right now, which is the second month contract, which is also having more liquidity at this point of time. Now, almost the same structure, only thing is that the prices are little bit higher. Why? Because the second month has higher value of natural gas. That means natural gas is having a curve structure of contango. If you don't know what is contango or backwardation, you can go back to my channel and see my yesterday's video on contango and backwardation. I have explained it there. Now, when curve structure is overall in contango, that means there is bearishness in the curve. Now, if I go here and again draw the Fibonacci in the second month, which I will find is that 2.08 is a very strong support, which is 0.786% or 78.6% retracement, Fibonacci retracement 0.786. Now, once we break 2.076, possibly we are immediately going down towards 1.983. But presently, this 2.076 is going to be a kind of support for me. Now, when I am looking at this uh, in a relatively lower time frame, what I see is that there is a bounce that possibly is trying to happen from this exact level. And if the bounce uh, sustains, we may revisit for today the level that I am just showing you. Just a second. So we may revisit this level, which can be 3.5% rally till 2.15, which is 61.8% Fibonacci level of the initial rally and then the pullback. Now, what happens if this level it gets broken? That is 2.076. If 2.076 gets broken, the immediately we possibly move towards 1.983. This is going to be a very crucial level, 1.983. There is possibility that this also get broken, and then what will happen right now? If that is the scenario, we will be forming a rounding top. So I am completing the rounding top, though it is not completed. So if you draw a rounding top like this, if that is fulfilled and eventually 1.98 is broken, then on the downside, the kind of target you will be looking for is, I will project it and I will directly show in a second. So if I project it on the downward side, it will come to around 1.9 or 1.5, 1.53. So that will be a very sharp correction. Now, also we should look at the dollar index, because dollar index is a very important component because every commodity is traded in dollar. So right now we are looking at dollar index, and as I told you earlier that this level, yesterday I had a video on dollar index and I told you that this level of 100.5 is going to be a crucial support. If dollar index tries to bounce from here, in that case, it will be more bearish for all the commodities due to the strength in dollar, including natural gas, which we are looking right now. So this is the natural gas. Here we have natural gas. Again, I will go to NG2 because that is going to be the uh, next contract, which is going to be more liquid, and we will focus on that only. So from that perspective, we will look at the level of 2.07 on the lower side, and possibly we will see that if we can try to find some bounce towards 2.15, which can be 3% kind of a move. But also if this is broken, which is, you remember, 78.6% pullback, then this up move that was happening, that get completely negated actually, and we then look for 1.983, which is 100% pullback, and then possibly the projection of the rounding top that we are forming in natural gas. If you see the indicators, that is RSI is sustaining below 50, which shows the down move. MACD has given or on the verge of giving a negative crossover, the daily MACD, which also is a bearish sign. So overall, the trend remains bearish. There is no doubt about that. But there can be some intraday bounce towards 2.15. We have to keep a watch on that, because most people who trade commodities, they trade commodities intraday basis. So intraday movements become very important. I generally track the market in a 15 minutes time frame, and in the 15-minute time frame, I also apply a super trend. So when I also apply a super trend in whatever side of super trend it is, it shows me that what is the present kind of a movement that we are having. That helps me to take decision on a very smaller time frame or intraday basis. This is what I have for today's analysis. I hope all of you have a great trading day. Next, I am going to record about the crude oil outlook, WTI crude oil outlook. If you are an energy trader and trade multiple assets, please look into that also. Thank you very much.